Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave all your comments. Now we're going to pick up from where we left off. So after I iron the hair and define the part, I'm going to go ahead and proceed to cutting. Now the look that I'll be going for is a asymmetrical blunt cut bob. Now once you know how to cut a bob, then this will come like really simple to you. All you have to do is make one side short and the next side longer. However, there's some key things in doing when cutting a bob. You have to bend the neck or lean the head of the client so you can get like some straggly ears underneath, and I'm going to zoom up to show you what I'm talking about. Once you start to cut, you're going to use the pieces that you cut already as a guide, and you're going to follow that. When you're cutting the side of the bob, you want to tilt the client's head to the opposite side so you get the straggly ears underneath, and when you're cutting the back, you want to tilt the client's head to the front. Doing that is going to give you a neat cut. While watching this video, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and also leave a like and a comment. And this wig was provided to me by my client. Now that I'm done creating the short portion of this wig, I'm going to move on to the long section. And remember, I told you that I'll be doing an asymmetrical bob and one side should be longer than the next. So now pay attention, look closely and pay attention to what I'm doing. I'm cutting the hair at an angle. And as you can see, I'm cutting upwards, but in reality, it's going downwards. Now that the cutting is complete, I'm going to move on to the styling process. And as you can see, I'm fighting with my little assistant right here. I'm going to go ahead and add like a pea-size amount of BioSilk to the hair. And then I'm going to proceed to using my hot comb and my flat iron to straighten it. Now the flat iron that I'll be using is from Conair, and it's a really good one. It's the rainbow one. You can only find it at Ulta. Here you go, guys. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye.